If your child ever forgets their textbook at home, this is how you can find it online. First of all, you want to go to the district website, stillwaterschools.com, and then up here you'll see students. So they will want to click on that. And then what they're looking for is Clever, and Clever is right here. It's the large C. Once they click on that, it is going to ask for them to sign in, and so they will need to use their school account in order to log in. Once they get logged in, they will see several different options of things that they have been given. What they need for math is the McGraw-Hill. And once they get into McGraw-Hill, then they will see only their textbook that they have access to. Since I am a teacher, I do have multiple textbooks. However, once they get into that, they can just click on their textbook, which they're only going to have the one. They have several options. They can go directly to a page, or they can click the ebook, and that will bring up the textbook. They are able to get help as well as other things once they get to this site.